To create a logo in 3 minutes, you need the online logo making tool. Go to the plain logo maker and click on the Make a Logo link. There are many logo templates you can start from, but I will show you how to create a logo from scratch. Click on the Start from Scratch button. This is an empty page where you will create the new logo. The main part of any logo is an icon. Click on the corresponding button in the top menu. Then enter the keyword in the search field and click on the Search button. Logo Maker has a large number of icons you can choose from. Add a suitable icon to your logo just by clicking on it. To make the icon unique, you should change its color, form, and add new elements. Initially, the icon is a group of elements, so to have access to each element for customization, ungroup it. Now you can change the color of each element. The color palette remembers the selected colors, so you can choose the same color for multiple elements with just one click. For more uniqueness, you can add new elements to the icon, resize them, flip, rotate, and so on. Once you have finished the customization of the icon, it is recommended to group it back. On the next step, add a brand name to your logo. Click on this button to add a text and type your brand name. Then set the font type from here. Set font size and change the color as you did it with the icon. In the same way, add a baseline to your logo. Now your logo has the icon, brand name, and baseline. On the final step, you can additionally adjust the position of the elements, set sizes, angles of inclination, etc. Once your logo design has finished, preview how it looks on a business card, document, webpage, cup, and t-shirt. To keep the logo for future editing, save it in the My Logos collection in your account. At any time, you can download your logo package for free by clicking on the Download button. Now it's time to visit our website and try the Logo Maker yourself. We wish you good luck. Bye!